say hi to the vlog.
Oh, what's up, vlog? Let's go, baby. Dude,
2025, we made it our mission to start vlogging this year, so we're gonna have a vlog coming out for every single event of this year. So this is January 11th today, Austin Grand Tour night edition, first vlog for 10. We're here at Ferrari Pro North Austin. In just a second, we'll see the LaFerrari pull up, and we're gonna park him right here. This is this edition's AGT decal, so obviously it's a night edition, that's reflected, we've got the sponsors on there. And then we are gonna have that be reflected on every single car of the rally today. LaFerrari being the lead car.
this is the big man.
Right over here.
Yes, Ken man.
Introduce yourself.
The legend.
I am the manager of media people, all the media in the Exotics Network and the Exchange Network.
Okay, we're looking for Eddie, our Police-Escort. Eddie, are you on which side of the building? I see you, I think. Eddie, I see you. Stop. Yeah. Reverse? Yeah, over here. You see me? Perfect. Oh, okay, amazing. Oh, we got Felipe pulling up as well. First Cybertruck of the day. Second Cybertruck of the day. Let's go.
What's up? Part of the media crew with 10 Network. We got a nod over here, the captain.
Yeah, it's gonna take a while for us to get used to this whole vlogging thing.
You're currently witnessing greatness right now, honestly, because we're just going up from here.
He's the guy that brings all the girls to 10.
Okay, don't tell that.
Cut that out. The check-in ladies at the front can tell everybody who's still outside to come inside right now so we can have the driver briefing and be on our way in the next 10 minutes. Yeah, we can make 10 minutes. No? Jay's laughing at us. We can't make 10 minutes. You're already 2 minutes in. Okay. So first of all, obviously, thank you all for coming. This is our first night edition of the AGT.
I'll try to keep it short. Have fun. Be safe. One thing that I've always said is we want to get everyone there safely. We also have to keep in mind the other people on the roadways. They entering the roadways or they're exiting roadways and they've got to make it through. We need to keep the safety as primary and reaching our destination. And then y'all have your dinner and then enjoy your evening until you return to your residence.
God, look at that. Looks good, huh? Night edition, baby. Everybody was, I can't move my finger.
Okay, what happened in the loft? You tell me.
It's coming. It's here any second.
Okay.
Oh, say hi to the vlog.
Oh, what's up, vlog? Let's go, baby. Dude, his hands are ice cold.
Let me see your nipples, bro. Or move my hands. I
got you.
I didn't think it was gonna be that cold, bro. It's freezing.
He was like, hey, bro, please bring my jacket, please. Fucking left it.
Yeah, I forgot it. Eddie, thank you so much. You're welcome. It worked out. Let me go check my guys. This is so pretty.
gorgeous, babe.
What? Oh my god. I got tears in my eyes.
Poor guy. Hi, baby. Are you defrosting?
Dude, that is so pretty.
I know. It's literally like your dream wedding.
Oh wow, that's awesome, man. Look at that. Everybody, real quick, we wanted to, while everyone's having dinner, enjoying dinner, we wanted to say a couple of thank yous to a couple of key players that made all this possible. First of all, we're at Petrol Lounge tonight. This venue, I mean, we've never seen it like this tonight, so we want to say huge thank you to, first of all, Jack and Randy from Petrol Lounge for hosting us here tonight. Can we give them a big round of applause? Thank you guys for enabling this, for letting us do this in Petrol Lounge. Jack, I'm going to hand the mic to you for a couple of words. Thank you.
All right, I'm not going to bore everybody with a long speech. I just want to say thank you for coming out. It's great to see the space like this. It's great to see everybody here. We're so happy.
The reason that I am in the country right now is because of Jack and Randy. For those of y'all that don't know, I'm from Austria. I don't have a full-on visa just yet. I'm still working on the whole green card thing. So Jack and Randy, I approached them a year ago and I asked them if they were able to sponsor a J1 internship visa. So thank you for letting me live my American dream and for building 10 on y'all's behalf. So thank you.
Guys, we want to say thank you so much for joining us. We see a lot of familiar faces out here. We have a lot of friends that we've spent some time with in the past year. But there's also a lot of new faces around tonight. So if there's any people who are attending a 10 event for the first time, please raise your hand so we can see you. Real high up. Awesome. Okay, thank you guys so much for coming. Thank you for joining the 10 family and getting to know everyone. We hope you guys have a great time today.
And next up, a very special partner of ours, which we've had on board for 2024, and they've just renewed to come on board for the whole of 2025, Post Oak Motor Cars from Houston. Thank you so much for being part of the 10 family, for being 10 sponsors. We can't do any of this without y'all. So without further ado, here's Diane and Liz from Post Oak.
I know most of you know us. We've got Bugatti and Hispana Suiza. We're super excited for 2025 because I finally have got 2 Zenvos coming. That'll be attending several of the 10 events. So for those of you that are into the hypercar Zenvo, stay tuned because she will be coming along with Post Oak Motor Cars for several of the events. So we're super excited. And tonight we brought a Lamborghini. So, we're kind of we're jack of all trades.
Guys, we're witnessing a first ever. We got a drone here in Petrol Lounge. And drone, getting a couple shots of dinner, hypercars, and Adonis. Let's go! Let's go! Someone gonna crash the drone tonight?
100%. There's no way that thing is staying in the fucking thing.
No.
Someone's gonna be eating it.
You have to choose. Would you rather the drone crash with one of our attendees or one of the hypercars?
Oh, attendees for sure.
For sure, right?
Yeah, I'm letting it cut up.
Right?
I don't know, bro. Matt's looking right for the taking. You see that guy? Come on, it's
You're gonna crash it for sure, bro.
Dude, this guy, he's the magic maker, bro. He makes it happen. All this shit, all because of him, bro. Bleep that up.
Yeah, Adonis right here. Final teardown over here. Got all the stanchions. LaFerrari's casual. Isn't this the craziest lineup ever? You got the LaFerrari, Enzo, F50, F40. Doesn't get much better than that. As you can see, we're almost done tearing down over here at Petrol Lounge. Thank you guys for tuning in.
No one's watching this video. But yeah, first YouTube video ever, baby. Let's go!